Hey everyone, welcome to this explainer. What if I told you that the absolute secret to deep cellular repair actually isn't about what is on your plate, but exactly when you are eating it? I mean, most people assume longevity is just this miserable game of subtraction, right? Subtracting carbs, subtracting calories, basically subtracting all the joy out of life. But the latest research into circadian biology reveals a completely different story. It really isn't just about eating less.
Okay, let's dive right into this fundamental question. What if longevity is actually just a game of timing? See, inside every single cell of your body, there is a hidden clock dictating your biology. Think about it. You can eat the exact same food with the exact same calories, but depending on when you eat it, you trigger a completely different biological response. It is wild. So today, we're going to learn a super simple 24-hour timing protocol that basically turns your body's natural rhythm into an incredibly powerful anti-aging tool.
All right, part one, the hidden organ clocks. Let's get right into this groundbreaking discovery.
For the longest time, science thought the body operated on just one master clock up in the brain. But recently, researchers found out that we don't just have one master clock. Literally every single organ has its own clock. Your liver has a clock, your gut has one, your pancreas has one. Now, the absolutely crucial difference here is this. That master brain clock reads light from your eyes to tell you when to sleep and wake up. But those peripheral clocks in your organs, they are strictly 100% set by food. And honestly, this is exactly where most of us are silently wrecking our own biology without even realizing it, simply by getting these two systems totally out of sync. Driving these peripheral organ clocks are two specific genes you really need to know about: clock and BMAL1. Basically, think of these genes like master switches. They flip on and off in a really strict 24-hour cycle, and they control everything from when your body burns fat to when it repairs its DNA to when it flushes out metabolic waste. Moving on to part two, your body's factory shifts. Let's break down how this actually looks in practice. It really helps to think of your body as this massive 24-hour manufacturing plant. And just like any highly efficient factory, it runs on two very distinct shifts to get everything done safely. The day shift is all about growth and production. The absolute second you eat, the insulin foreman blows his whistle, right? Your workers get to building proteins, storing energy, fueling your brain. The whole shebang points toward growth. But while a factory can't just build stuff forever, eventually it has to shut down the assembly line and clean the heavy machinery. And that brings us to the night shift, which is entirely dedicated to a process called autophagy and cleanup. So, autophagy. It's essentially your cellular cleanup crew. It is the biological process of hunting down broken proteins, clearing out damaged mitochondria, and recycling all that cellular waste. But listen, there is a very strict, non-negotiable rule in this factory. It can only ever run on one shift at a time. The moment you eat something, even a tiny bite, that insulin foreman gets an emergency phone call and rushes right back to the factory floor. And the cleanup crew, they have to pack up their gear and leave immediately. Which leads us perfectly into part three, metabolic jet lag explained. Let's see what happens when these carefully orchestrated shifts get totally confused. It is actually truly fascinating how easily we create a biological disaster for ourselves. Dr. Secchidananda Panda over at the Salk Institute coined this brilliant term, metabolic jet lag. It happens when you have two internal systems running on completely different schedules. Imagine you're grabbing a late-night snack at, say, 10 p.m. Your gut, your liver, your pancreas, those organ clocks suddenly think, oh, hey, it's midday. They pump out insulin and kickstart digestion. But your brain clock, which is reading the darkness outside, knows for a fact it's nighttime and is desperately trying to run that repair shift. And the research is crystal clear on the consequences of this internal conflict. Over years of missing these cleanup shifts, your body starts accumulating senescent cells. These are basically old, broken cells that just refuse to die. And they don't just sit around quietly either. They actively leak inflammatory proteins, things like IL-6 and TNF-alpha, into your surrounding tissue, creating something researchers call SASP, or senescence-associated secretory phenotype. I know, that is a really complicated scientific term, but it basically translates to this visceral high-stakes reality: zombie cells leaking poison. We're talking about chronic, low-grade inflammation that drives everything from accelerated cellular aging to cognitive decline. And the crazy part? It's happening simply because you are eating late and constantly canceling the cleanup crew. Every single night you eat late, you're literally letting these zombie cells stick around and do real damage. Okay, time for part four, the 10-hour protocol. Let's get into the actionable, science-backed solution.
To stay young and healthy, you absolutely have to give that insulin foreman a firm, hard clock-out time. In a landmark 2019 study published in the journal Cell Metabolism, Dr. Panda's team took overweight adults who were used to grazing across a 14-hour window and restricted them to a 10-hour eating window. Now get this. There was no aggressive fasting, no calorie counting, literally no dietary changes at all, just a change in timing. And after 12 weeks, the results were incredible. Reduced body fat, way better sleep, lower blood pressure, and measurable improvements in insulin sensitivity. They ate the exact same food, just put on a different clock. So how do we actually do this? Here is how it builds into a practical daily routine you can literally start tomorrow. Step 1, the first light rule. Within 30 minutes of waking up, get outside and expose your eyes to natural daylight to reset your brain's master clock. Even if it's super cloudy, outdoor light is like 10 to 50 times brighter than indoor light. Step 2, eat your first meal within 1 hour of that light exposure to sync up those organ clocks. And step 3, clock out. If you start eating at 8 a.m., your absolute last bite of food for the day must happen by 6 p.m. Now, you might be wondering, why a 6 p.m. cutoff? Well, it all comes down to one magic number, 14. Clocking out at 6 p.m. gives your cellular cleanup crew a full, uninterrupted 14-hour window to work overnight. When your master brain clock and your peripheral organ clocks are double set and perfectly aligned like this, your body burns fat way more efficiently during the day and runs that deep, complete cellular repair all night long. But I gotta give you a quick warning here. The absolute biggest mistake people make is falling into what I call the grazing trap. You have to be aware of the 9 p.m. handful of almonds, or, that innocent little square of dark chocolate right before bed. You might think, oh, it's just a healthy snack, no big deal. But remember our friend the insulin foreman. Even a tiny insulin spike, and yes, almonds absolutely cause one, acts like an emergency 911 call. He rushes back to the floor, the factory lights instantly come back on, and your cleanup crew is done for the night. They pack up and leave. So you absolutely must follow the after 6 p.m. factory rules. We're talking only water, herbal tea, or black coffee the next morning. That is it. You have to keep the factory lights completely off so the repair crew can actually finish their job. And you know what's truly amazing? When you combine this circadian timing protocol with the protein trick we discussed in a previous explainer, you basically get the ultimate longevity stack. The amino acid ratios handle the signal of what to repair, and this meal timing handles the window of when to do it. No expensive supplements required, just your biology finally running exactly the way it was designed to. Which leaves us with this final question for you to consider. Are your clocks perfectly aligned, or are your cells constantly working the wrong shift? Take a really hard look at your own eating habits today. Are you accidentally triggering metabolic jet lag every single night? By simply adjusting when you eat, you can harness your body's natural rhythm as your single most powerful tool for health and cellular repair. I highly recommend trying out the 10-hour protocol tonight and letting your cleanup crew finally get to work. Thanks so much for joining this explainer, and I'll catch you in the next deep dive.